I did purchase another pair of sunglasses from Quay, Australia, or Quay, Australia, however you want to say it. I did get another pair, and the ones I got this time are the Haki Rose. These are one of the ones that they did with Desi Perkins. I did order the pair with Jaclyn Hill in the style of Roxanne. And I went on there to look and to see what all we had, and we really wanted a pair from Desi Perkins. But the high key, the normal ones, I would think that they would be like a little bit too big for my face, because I do, as you can tell, have a very small face. I have a very small, my eyes are very small as well. So I don't want anything that's going to be like this big. It's going to cover up half of my face. I've not worn these. I've not tried these on or anything like that. So I'm hoping that they will look good. So I will go ahead and show you what I got. Now I did throw the box away that they came in, because I didn't know if I was going to do this video or not. They've just been sitting, waiting on me to do this. So I did order two different things. One of them is a pair of sunglasses, and the other one is that I should have ordered this when I first ordered the Jaclyn Hill sunglasses, but I never thought of it. I ordered the chain that specifically came with her collection for Jaclyn Hill, and it's the called the Sunnies chain. It's the gold one that you can hang on the sunglasses, or like she says, wear around your neck and stuff like that. So I'll just go ahead and open it and show you what it is. Now, like I said, I've not opened any of this, so it's all still in the packaging. So, like I said, the packaging has already been tossed, like the box of it anyway. Okay, the chain. This is the package it came in. As you can tell, I've not opened it or anything like that. So it does say Quay, Australia, and there's part of the chain coming out. So I'm going to go ahead and oh, you know what? We can just pull it out from the side. So we'll just go ahead and pull it out from the side, because I hate to rip this pretty packaging. So we're just going to pull it out. And there you go. So, how do I say here? We'll put this to the side, and if you just seen a cat, that was Tiger again. Okay, so on the top of it, it does say Jaclyn Hill, Quay, Australia. Jaclyn Hill, and it shows you part of the chain right here. Now, like I said, as you can tell, I've not opened this or anything like that. There's the rest of it. This was $12 or $13. No, this was $12 just for the chain itself. Let's see, how do you open it? Okay, so I'll go ahead and, oh, here we go. On the bottom of it, there's like a little throwaway thing. One of my cats is eyeballing it, thinking he's trying to figure out how he can get it from me. You can't. There's your answer. You can't. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and pull this out like that right there. I get a lot of it. And we'll just pull it out from that. So it does say bonus, you can also wear this as a chain or a necklace. So this is what it looks like. It does have like this right here. You can also just wear it around your neck as a necklace, but I won't. I don't know why I wanted this. I just thought it would be really cute. And for the really exciting part is the sunglasses themselves. Now this did come, like I said. You're going to have to move. He's trying to get this. Like I said, these are the mini version of the Haki ones that I got, because the other ones, sorry, I think would be too big. Oh my god, and I love this too because look. Look at this. It says things just got shady for now. Oh my god, I'm keeping this. I didn't even pay attention to that. So anyway, the sunglasses are the mini version of the high key. They're really, really cute. So they came in a bag like this right here. So it's just a Ziploc bag. Okay, so that's the bag. And then they, see, you can tell I'm not even trying to order anything, so I hope that they fit pretty good. So here is the package. It is a clear case. It is not like the leopard one that Jaclyn Hill that I got from her, which I really, really love that because I love that kind of leopard print. But I do like this. On the front, as you can tell, it does say Quay, Australia and Desi Perkins. So we're just going to pop this open like that. It does also come with a cleaning cloth, which is awkward. So we are going to go ahead and pull these out. Now, like I said, I don't even think I'll pull these out. No, so you can tell the tag's still on it. So that's what the case looks like. It's just a clear case. It's really cute. Not my favorite, but you know, whatever. Okay, so this is what the package looks like on the sunglasses. Here is what the end of it looks like, and of course the tag's still on. So we are just going to go ahead and unfold them and take this plastic piece off and see if I can get this tag off. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and take this off. Ooh, these are pretty. Okay. Try to. There we go. Let's just take that off, and we'll go ahead and put these on. Okay, so I can tell you straight away, let me get my, okay, so they are a little bit too big still, but I mean, I really like them. These I can, like, they're like the aviator style. I really think I could pull these off. I think, I know you're seeing everything in my viewfinder right now, because I do have it attached to my monitor to see how it looks. I have no makeup on. This would look so much better with makeup. What do we think? I like them. Oh, I'm not sure what style these are in. You know, let me just go ahead and okay. So I don't know what style these are in. I will find out and put them in the link below. So we'll go ahead and try the chain on with these. I don't know how you're supposed to do this. I guess just like that maybe. So that those black pieces do expand, or expand, and of course it does have Quay on it, as you know. Okay. So that is what they look like with the chain on them. So I'm just going to go ahead and go like this right here. Oh yes, that looks amazing. Look. I better drop my phone. Let's see if I can find a chain. See, there you go. That came up too high. Can even tell it. And then you can always just drop them down like that right there. Oh y'all, I like this. I really do. It does pull your hair though. Definitely does pull hair. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show you all of this. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and let me know what else you want to see, and I will be purchasing some more of these as soon as my final payment of this gets done. I have one more installment, and that's going to be on March the 1st, so that's going to be a couple of weeks from now. But yeah, I do want to say thank you all so much for tuning in, and I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope that you will subscribe and let me know what you all think of me. Please go ahead and subscribe and share the video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!